Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at showing and hiding shapes and objects. Otherwise, let's just have a quick intro first. So, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, showing and hiding layers. This is quite a fancy and not so much fancy, but a handy feature to have. So if you're working on a design and you want to hide some layers while you carry on working, so it's not distracting or it's not in the way, you can do that, or you can hide it for if it's a template or anything like that. You can just simply hide it and show it. So like that, there's a few ways to do it, but the most simple way is we'll navigate to our layers panel. Then you can simply just click on this eye and it will hide the layers you don't want to see. So you click on it once and the eye will disappear. Now it's hidden. You click it again and it will come back. Same with groups. If you open a group, you've got the individual shapes. You can hide individual shapes within the group. Also quite convenient. Then what we've got on the layers tab here on the top, we've got that little button. Then same way we can go show. And then we've got show all layers and we've got hide all layers and toggle all layers. So show all layers already on, go hide all layers. You'll obviously remove all of them. And let's say we've got the mouth, but we want the two top shapes instead of the mouth. Then you can go there, go to show and hide, and we go to toggle all layers. Now we'll only show the heart and the flower. Then another way we can do this is you select the shape you want to hide. Then we go on top here to object, and then we navigate down to hide. So if you click that, then you can no longer see that shape. Now to show it again, once again we go to object, we navigate down to show all. Now keep in mind, if you have more than one shape selected, you can do the same thing and it will hide those shapes. But if you want to bring back only one shape, we're under object, we only have show all, then just navigate to your layers panel and then you just show the shape you want back. Then another way you can do it is we select the shape and you right click it. Then at the bottom here you will see we've got the hide and show all. Now keep in mind, if you want to show all from the right click menu, it won't work if you right click on the canvas or the mat. We'll have to have a shape selected and you right click and you say show all. Otherwise, yeah, that is the basics on showing and hiding layers. Like I say, a very handy feature, and you use it a lot, like the locking and unlocking feature. Otherwise, if we head here to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, and like I mentioned, we cover a variety of videos and softwares, which you can see over here. You can also isolate your search if you're looking for anything specific, or if you don't find what you're looking for, you can go here to request a training video, then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.